Good morning student. Now today we will discuss new chapter 8, that is a ratio and proportion and unitary method. Okay, this is now we will discuss about the basics of the ratio. What is the ratio? Why there is a need of the ratio? When we want to compare same kind of things, then we will use the ratio method. Suppose if we are doing like this, that two things we have, one is book, we can say maths book, SST book. You have here 3 maths book, here 5 SST. Then one method that you can say, one thing you can say, that there is a 2 more than SST books are 2 more than the maths book. This is called the difference method. When we are comparing using the word like more than, less than, these type of words we are using, then this is called the difference method. But if I write down that maths book divided by SST book is equal to 3 by 5, then this type of relation is called the ratio. Ratio we can represent like this also, this 3 by 5, it means 3 ratio 5. Generally we can say A by B, that is A is to B or A ratio B. So what is the ratio we can say? It is a comparison of 2 or more quantities, maybe 3 quantities also, A ratio B ratio C, this type also. 2 or more quantities को comparison है ratio, that should be in the same kind, with the same unit. Suppose if we are using the weight of anything, then all the weight should be in kg. If one is in kg, then other should be also in kg. The ratio, whenever we will do compare, the unit will be the same. There should be same type of quantity, same kind of things. Okay, now there is some rules whenever we do the ratio, that we can say important facts about ratio. First fact is what? In a ratio, the order of term is very important. In first fact we can say that order of terms very important. What is the meaning of order of ratio, or we can say order of terms? Suppose I write down 2 ratio 3, or if I write down 3 ratio 2, both are the different. 2 ratio 3 means this is 2 divided by 3, 3 ratio 2 means 3 divided by 2. So they are not equal. It means order of terms are very important in the ratio. Second fact, see now, this is our first fact. Second fact is given to you, ratio is a fraction. The ratio will remain unchanged if we multiply or divide by the same factor. Suppose I write down there is a ratio 3 by 5. If I multiply by 2, 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10. But at the end when you take the ratio, then the ratio will be the same, unchanged, that is also 3 ratio 5, because 6 upon 10 when you divide by 2 by 2, then 2, then it becomes 3 ratio 5. It means ratio is a fraction, ratio will remain unchanged if each term of the ratio is multiplied or divided by the same or non-zero number. तो रेशियो चेंज नहीं होता है, हम उसको किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. सपोज आई मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 by 7, then 21 upon 35. इसका रेशियो भी 3 ratio 5 होगा, और दिस वन वैल्यू रेशियो इज ऑल्सो 3 ratio 5. तो जब भी हम किसी सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करते हैं, किसी भी फ्रैक्शन को, तो उसके रेशियो में कोई चेंज नहीं आता है. ओके, नाउ सी द थर्ड फैक्ट. रेशियो एग्जिस्ट बिटवीन द सेम काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. इट मीन्स इफ वी आर कंपेयरिंग द हाइट्स, suppose heights, this is 120 centimeter, 100 centimeter, and we have weight 28 kg, 52 kg. So we can't compare one height and one weight. इनके बीच का रेशियो हम नहीं ले सकते हैं. We can't take the ratio between the one height and one weight. We can take the ratio only between the same kind of things. It means height of one person, height of another things or another person, we can compare. Weight of one person and weight of another person we can compare. So ratio should be compared between only the same kind of things. Next thing also, suppose I am taking height, one is in 1 meter and second one is 125 centimeter. This also I can't compare. Whenever I want to take the ratio between this, there should be the same unit also. यहाँ unit भी same होनी चाहिए. We want to convert 100 meter in 1 meter into 100 centimeter. Now I can compare 100 centimeter and 125 centimeter. Okay, another fact see. Now the next fact is, ratio is a number, it has no unit, because if we are comparing weight, suppose I write down 28 kg and 52 kg, it means this kg to kg cancel out. If I write down 52 centimeter divide by 27 centimeter, centimeter to centimeter cancel out. So it is a number, it is just a number, so it has no unit. रेशियो की कोई भी यूनिट नहीं होती है. नेक्स्ट फैक्ट वी कैन से, इफ वी वांट टू कंपेयर, सपोज आई वांट टू कंपेयर these two ratios, which one is greater? If I want to compare, there is two method. First method, that firstly take the LCM of both denominator. So what is the LCM of both denominator? 5 4 7 LCM is 35. Then make the denominator same. तो इसका denominator 35 बनाने के लिए I have to multiply by 7. Then it becomes 21 by 35. This one I have to multiply by 5. Then it becomes 10 by 35. Now I can compare easily that 21 by 35 is greater than from the 10 by 35. First method is this. Second method, that firstly you change it into the decimal. Then it becomes 0.6. 5 6 are 30. Then it becomes this one. You can say 0.7 2 are 14, 60, 7 8 are 56. Then continue. Then which one is greater? Obviously 0.6 is greater than. So there are two methods to compare the ratios, that firstly make the denominator same, then compare it, otherwise take the decimal, change into the decimal, then we can do comparing. Next method, next fact. When a ratio is in lowest term, if I write down A by B, when it is in lowest term, when we can say the HCF of A and B is equal to 1. अगर इन दोनों का HCF 1 के equal है, then I can say this ratio is in, this is a fraction also. Ratio we are writing this A by B. So A by B, this is in fractional form also. So when it is in lowest term, when the HCF of this is equal to 1. So see here, suppose I write down 6 by 10. Is it in lowest term? Check it. 6 by 10 का SCF 6 क्या होगा? 2 3 are 6, 10, 2 5 are 10. If you take, then SCF is 2. It means it is not in lowest term. We want to change into the lowest term, then divide by the SCF of both. Then this becomes 3 by 5. Now 3 and 5 both SCF is equal to 1. So we can say 3 by 5 is in lowest term. One last fact now we will discuss, that is, suppose if we want to increase the ratio of something, किसी का रेशियो 2 था, उसका रेशियो तुम इंक्रीज करना चाहते हो 3 से, तो हाउ टू डू? न्यू वैल्यू, न्यू रेशियो डिवाइड बाय ओरिजिनल मल्टीप्लाई बाय गिवन क्वांटिटी, जो भी तुम्हें गिवन हो. हाउ टू डू इट? न्यू रेशियो, और वी कैन से दिस वन इज इक्वल टू मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर. So one example we take, suppose it is given to you to increase 54 kg in the ratio 2:3. To increase 54 kg into the ratio 2:3. Then how to find out the value? It means weight after increase. पहले तुम्हारा वेट था 54 kg, अब तुम उसको इंक्रीज करना चाहते हो. पहले 2 रेशियो में था, 2 से 3 रेशियो में उसको इंक्रीज करना चाहते हो. तो न्यू वन वैल्यू इज 3 और ओरिजिनल रेशियो 2. गिवन वैल्यू किसका करना चाहते हो? 54 kg का. तो इट मीन्स योर न्यू वेट बिकम 81 kg. इसी को अगर सपोज डिक्रीज करना चाहते 3:2 में, पहले 3 रेशियो में था, अब 2 में करना चाहते हो, देन व्हाट वी विल डू? फर्स्टली वी विल टेक न्यू वन इज 2, देन 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 54, देन इट बिकम 18 2 36. मीन्स पहले फर्स्टली ही हैज द वेट 54 kg and now it becomes 36 kg. What is the meaning of it? It means firstly weight 54, now 36. If you take the ratio 18 3 is 54, 18 2 is 36, ratio become 3:2. Okay, now see examples. These are the important fact about the ratio, that in ratio we will take the ratio or we will compare the same kinds of things. Unit will be the same because ratio has no unit. When we are comparing, that unit of both things, both kind of things should be the same, and ratio has no unit. Okay, see, now your question is express the ratio. First example, express the ratio 36:81 in the simplest form. Whenever we want to convert into the simplest form, 36/81, I already said take the SCF of both number. This is called antecedent and this is denominator. We can say 36 first number and second number, 36/81. We want to change into the simplest form. Then what we will do, we have to take the HCF. 36 is equal to what? 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 3 is 36. 81, 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. What is the HCF? 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. It means both number we will divide by 9 then. 9 4s are 36, 9 9s are 81. Now if you solve further, then you will get that HCF of both numerator and denominator is equal to 1. So this is in simplest form. Okay. Next, see now, express the following ratios in the simplest form. It is given to you 4 1 by 5 ratio 2 1 by 3. 4 1 by 5 means 4 5s are 20, 21 by 5 ratio 3 2s are 6 or 1, 7 by 3. Then you can write down like this also. It means this is equal to 21 by 5 into 3 by 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 9 by 5. It means our ratio is 9 ratio 5. This is in simplest form. This type we will solve it. One more example take. 1 by 2 ratio 1 by 6 ratio 1 by 8. If we want to solve these type of ratio in the simplest form, then what we will do, firstly take the LCM of denominator 2, 6 and 8. What is the LCM? LCM is what? That is 2, that is 2 into 1, 6, 2 into 3 into 1, 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 is 12, 2 is 24. Now make the denominator same in all. That is 1 by 2 into 24 if we want to make 12 by 12. 1 by 6 into 4 by 4. 1 by 8 into 3 by 3. That is 12 upon 24, 4 upon 24, 3 upon 24. If denominator are same, then we can write down like this. The answer is 12 ratio 4 ratio 3. So this is the simplest form. So we will discuss in the next lecture in details ratio. Today basics of ratio complete, that what is the important facts of the ratio and what is the ratio. So do revise properly. Thank you.